Apple fans were excited when leaks revealed that the iPhone 17 Pro might finally break away from its usual dull color palette. A vibrant new sky blue color was rumored to be part of the lineup this year, alongside other bold shades like orange and dark blue, but now that excitement has taken an unexpected turn. According to a new report, Apple has decided to cancel the sky blue color for the iPhone 17 Pro. Instead, this light blue shade will now be introduced with the iPhone 17 Air, a slimmer, lighter version of the iPhone that's replacing the Plus model in the upcoming lineup. Originally, reports suggested that the iPhone 17 Pro would come in 5 color options: black, gray, silver, dark blue, and orange. Among these, orange and dark blue were expected to bring a much-needed touch of vibrance to the Pro series. In fact, a poll conducted recently showed that 52% of users preferred the orange color, while 33% voted for dark blue. Only a small percentage seemed interested in the traditional shades like black, gray, or silver. But sky blue was not even part of the final list. That's because Apple reportedly decided to shift that color to the iPhone 17 Air, a phone that's expected to be thinner, lighter, and more stylish, aimed at users who prioritize design and portability. This rumor gets more convincing thanks to leaked images of the iPhone 17 Air's camera rings. The photo clearly shows light blue rings, which match the body color of the phone. Interestingly, there are also green and purple camera rings visible in the picture, hinting at more colorful variants of the iPhone 17 Air. It's easy to imagine how stunning the iPhone 17 Pro would have looked in sky blue, but now, that honor goes to the Air model. And that's a big deal, because design and color play a major role in how consumers perceive value and uniqueness. Now let's talk a bit more about the iPhone 17 Air. It's expected to replace the iPhone Plus series, which didn't perform very well in terms of sales. Before that, Apple had already retired the iPhone mini, also due to low market demand. So the Air is Apple's third attempt at filling that middle spot in the lineup between the base iPhone and the more expensive Pro models. In terms of design, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to feature a slim horizontal camera island, a design that will make it look very similar to Google's Pixel phones. In fact, the sky blue version of the iPhone 17 Air might even remind you of the Pixel 8 Pro's bay color. It's a refreshing look, and Apple clearly hopes this new aesthetic will attract buyers who care about style. But here's the catch: the iPhone 17 Air might come with a very small battery. Reports suggest it could ship with just a 2,800 mAh battery, which is quite underwhelming in 2025. For comparison, the Galaxy S5 Edge, a similarly slim phone, has a 3,900 mAh battery packed into its 5.8mm thin body. That's a full 1,100 mAh more than what the iPhone 17 Air might offer. So while the Air might look sleek and colorful, it could struggle with battery performance. That raises the question, will a new color be enough to make the iPhone 17 Air successful? The history of slim iPhones is not great. Both the Mini and the Plus were discontinued after underwhelming performance. And looking at Samsung's experience with the Galaxy S5 Edge, which didn't sell very well either, it's clear that super slim phones just don't appeal to a large audience anymore, especially if they come with compromises like smaller batteries. But still, for people who care about aesthetics more than specs, the iPhone 17 Air does have some interesting options. Aside from sky blue, the leaked camera ring photo suggests that we might also see green and purple versions. And for those sticking with the regular iPhone 17 models, there's also a rumored purple color that could be a big hit. In the end, Apple's decision to give the sky blue color to the Air instead of the Pro might disappoint some fans, especially those who are hoping for a more fun and vibrant look on the premium models. But on the bright side, it shows that Apple is trying to make the Air stand out, not just in size and weight, but also in design and appeal. Whether this strategy works or not, we'll have to wait and see. If the iPhone 17 Air manages to balance its slim profile, bold colors, and performance, it might just succeed where the Mini and Plus couldn't. But if battery life turns out to be a major issue, then even the most beautiful sky blue finish won't be able to save it. Let us know in the comments which iPhone 17 color you're most excited about: orange, dark blue, sky blue, or maybe even purple. And do you think a slimmer phone is worth it if it sacrifices battery life? Stay tuned for more updates on Apple's upcoming launches.